Hello little ones, come and see. A furry friend is hiding from me. With pointy ears and a tail so wide, let's find who's trying to hide. Fox, fox, clever and bright, tippy toes through day and night. Big bushy tail, eyes that gleam, she's the queen of forest dreams. Sniff, sniff, here and tiptoe there, she runs so fast without a care. She hunts for berries, bugs and more, then curls up tight with a gentle snore. Pointy ears to hear so well, a whiskery nose that's like a smell spell. Her tail helps her leap and land, she's the smartest in the woodland land. Fox, fox, clever and bright, tippy toes through day and night. Big bushy tail, eyes that gleam, she's the queen of forest dreams. Did you know she barks and yips and licks her nose with little flips? She sleeps in dens, she's not in the zoo, she's part of the doggy family too. Fox, fox, sleepy and sweet, circled in her leafy seat. Wave goodbye, say hooray, we'll meet more friends another day. Nay,